Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. We've updated the website on this year's workshop starting from June. We have the Elastic Force Qigong, and then, June is the Initiation of Hermetics, and beginner's workshop, then followed by an advanced. The advanced is geared more for instructor training. Then we have Elastic Force Qigong, a 1-month teacher's course. So if you want to teach Qigong, this is set up for you. The workshop straight after that is Intrinsic Energy. So it's set up more for martial artists, and it has an element of push hands to it and a lot more of the martial principles. Well, before the Elastic Force laid the foundation for martial arts, now we're moving that to the Intrinsic Energies workshops. Then at the end of the year, we have a 12-week workshop for Hermetics teacher training. And this is going to include a lot of the Elastic Force, Initiation of Hermetics, Evocation, Kabbalah, Ritual Magic, and Abhisheka, how to give transmissions. So that'll be a very intense 12 weeks. That's got the most amount of interest at the moment, so if you're interested in that workshop, book early for it. And all the dates are on the website. You can give Pari a message if you have any other questions. If you want a video conference call to get more details, just give her a message and schedule one with her. Okay, thank you very much, everyone, and see you all soon.